Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I love Italian food. I could eat it every night, and I'm a lazy or busy cook. I'm going to say busy. So 5 ingredients sounds like it's going to save me a lot of time. It's 101 regional classics made simple by Francesca Montillo, or Montillo, I think it's Montillo. Anyway, let's check it out. I grabbed a copy from my local library after the author wrote to me and invited me to check it out. Starting off well with a gorgeous picture. The publisher is Rockridge Press. They make a lot of really good cookbooks. So far so good. I see wine and a beautiful picture. That way I don't have to whine about it if there's not lots of photos. Let's check out the table of contents. Chapter 1, Italian Essentials for American Kitchens. I'm going to look through there because I bet I have almost everything she mentions in my pantry because I love Italian food. Okay, Chapter 2, Antipasti e contorni, appetizers and sides. Chapter 3, Zuppa e insalata, soups and salads. Chapter 4, risotto, pasta and sauces. Chapter 5, pizza and bread. Ooh, yum. Chapter 6, carne, meat. Chapter 7, pollo, chicken. Chapter 8, fish and seafood. And Chapter 9, dulce, desserts. Yay! What is Italian cooking? A regional cuisine. Less is always more. Home is where the heart is. Map of Italy. Regions and cuisines. I study maps of Italy a lot because in my other blogs, I'm a wine blogger, and we have to know all the awesome Italian wine regions and the foods to pair with the wines. Italian recipes for American tables. Okay, here's the first chapter, essentials. For example, okay, let's see how I'm going to do. Onions and garlic, potatoes, dry nuts. Of course, we all have those. Yeah. Okay, moving on. Spices. Pepperoncino. Yep. Nutmeg. Yep. Dried oregano. Yes, and I have fresh too because I grow it right outside my kitchen. Canned tomatoes. Yep. Oil. Canned beans and chickpeas. Yep. Vinegars. Yep. Capers. Yes. I get mine at Trader Joe's because they're affordable. Dry goods. Pasta, rice, polenta. I have rice, but I also have risotto or arborio rice. The refrigerator, cheese for grating. Yes. Italian flat leaf parsley. I don't have it in my fridge, but I'm growing it on my back deck. Breadcrumbs. Oh, yep. Here's tips for choosing quality ingredients. Good. Here is leftover and storage tips. Freezer, peas. Yep. Chicken. Yep. Frozen basil. No, I don't have that, but I have fresh basil because I grow it, but I'm not going to be able to grow it pretty soon because winter is coming. Pizza dough. No, I make it fresh. Stock. Tomato sauce. The equipment. Colander, etc. You have all the equipment. That's fine. Okay. Chapter 2, appetizers and sides. Now I'm noticing we're not starting off with any pictures. Oh, I love pictures. Crispy cauliflower. Love it. Cannellini cream with parsley. That sounds amazing. Here's a picture. Yay, and it's gorgeous. Prosciutto wrapped asparagus. My boyfriend would love that. Mozzarella in a carriage. Oh, I wish that had a picture. Zucchini boats. Eggplant cutlets, stuffed mushrooms, not a lot of photos. Roman style spinach. What makes it Roman style? Raisins. Ooh, yum. I don't keep raisins or grapes in the house because I have a naughty dog that gets into things and would probably kill himself because those are toxic. Milan style potatoes, gratin style Swiss chard. Ooh, I'd like to see some more photos. Now we're in the soup and salad chapter. Not a lot of pictures. Tomato, potato, and egg salad. Reinforcement salad. That sounds good. Savoy cabbage and bean soup. I love making bean soup. Chickpea soup. I have never made just chickpea soup. I usually put chickpeas in my soup. Here's a Tuscan bean soup with a gorgeous photo. The photos are so pretty. I wish there were more of them. Maybe in the next edition of this book when it's a hardback. Yay! Lentil soup. I make lots of lentil soup in the fall and winter. Tortellini in broth. That sounds good. We're in the risotto chapter. Rice with peas, basic white risotto, etc. Pasta with cannellini beans, pasta carbonara. We're moving into another chapter, pizza e pane. And focaccia with basil, focaccia with olives and pepper flakes, grape focaccia, focaccia with prosciutto and Parmesan cheese. You get the drift, basic olive bread. Now we're in the meat chapter. Let's see if I can find a photo. Beef in pizza style sauce, beef soup, balsamic vinegar steak, What? Malise style pork with peppers, roasted sausages with potatoes and bell peppers, sausage with mushrooms and tomatoes, Milan style pork chops. Now we're in the pollo chapter. Chicken with peppers, Venetian chicken, jump in your mouth chicken. That's cute. Lemon caper chicken, Sicilian style chicken, chicken in red sauce, chicken breast with balsamic glaze, chicken in white wine. Chapter fish and seafood, Sicilian swordfish, cod in broth, swordfish in red sauce, sweet and sour swordfish. I don't know where to get swordfish here in Seattle. Cod with potatoes, clams in broth, trout in foil. Let's see if I can... Nope, no photo. I must have skipped by it. Now we're in the dessert chapter. Ricciarelli? Tuscan Cantucci. Don't know what that is. Wine rings. I'd love to see a picture to see what those are supposed to look like. Sounds good. Mom's S cookies. Lemon bunt. Caprese cake. I'd love to see a picture of that. Cat's tongue cookies. And a glossary at the end for people that need help with the Italian terms. So the recipes sound delicious. I personally wouldn't purchase this because there's not a lot of photos, but the 5 ingredients is a big selling point. So I will hang on to this from my library for a couple days and try out some of the recipes before I return the book. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through and review. It's 5 ingredient Italian by Francesca Montillo, or Montillo, excuse me, sorry. And you can see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews at Cookbook Divas on our blog, cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast. We post videos to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and occasionally Pinterest. Thanks so much.